So in order to get to the next site that we're going to explore, you're going to have to first open up your search engine. I'm using Google, and in my address bar I'm going to type in interactive sites for education. So this is the address, web address. It's interactivesites.weebly.com. You'll only have to do that one time. If you come over here and bookmark, so in the corner of your page you have this settings. Come over here and you can bookmark this page. And I'm going to go ahead and title it Interactive Sites. Done. And then you can see it is saved up here on my toolbar. So if I were to come into Google, open up my page, I have it saved here. All I would have to do is click on there and it would automatically take me to this website. So you can see up here we have different areas for us to explore. We have math, language arts, science, social studies. So those are our subjects that we study in school. So those are the ones we're going to focus on today. So you also have other ones here that you can maybe explore on your free time. So you have brain teasers, music, art, typing, holidays, and there's more over here. Spanish, presentation, files, things like that. So these tabs here can also be found down here. So they're the same tab. So we're going to click on math. And under math, you see all of these different skills that we can work on. So my teacher has the ability to tell me I can go into the site, and she or he might want to just assign whatever it is that we're working on for that day or maybe for that week. So let's say we are working on area and perimeter, and they give me permission to come in here and look at games, because these are games that help you work on that skill. So here it breaks it down with just area. Here I have a game to practice on perimeter. And then I have a game for area and perimeter. So this one only has a little bit of games under area and perimeter. But you can see that if I go under an addition, some topics will give me more than one game to choose from. So it just really depends on the one you choose. So I'm just going to choose this game. That way you can get an idea of what it looks like. So this one is called Math Monster, and you can see that we would be doing addition in this game. So this one's a very simple game here. I am going to exit. And what I really like about this website, it's very easy to navigate through. So there's not a lot of ways for you to get lost in here. And students really enjoy playing this or getting onto this website because they present it as games and you're still learning. So hopefully you will be able to use it in your classroom or even at home. This is a website that is absolutely free, so you can use it at home.